If you're here, you bought an iPad and assumed note-taking would be free. Then you saw the price tags. Notability wants $12 a month. GoodNotes is $80 upfront. OneNote and Apple Notes look free, but have frustrating limits you hit in week 2. So today, I tested 7 apps head-to-head. The genuine free apps, the free with asterisks apps, and which one I'd actually use if I had to pick one. No sponsorships, just honest feedback. Notability's free app lets you create one notebook. 1. You get PDF import, handwriting, text, but only in that single notebook. So if you're a student with 5 classes, you hit the wall immediately. The $120 a year subscription unlocks unlimited notebooks. The free tier isn't a trial, it's a demo sized to frustrate you into upgrading. Handwriting quality is excellent, but it's not worth the $12 per month if you're on a budget. GoodNotes removed its free tier in 2024. It's $80 to buy, or nothing. If you need it, you need to pay. I mention it because when you search free note apps iPad, older blogs still list it. Don't waste your time. The full version is great. Excellent gesture recognition, smooth handwriting, PDF markup, but it's a purchase, not free. Skip this section if budget is the deciding factor. Apple Notes is free and pre-installed. You can write, sketch, add images, collaborate, and access from iPhone and Mac. Handwriting recognition is real. For basic note-taking, it works, but the search is slower than competitors. Sketching tools are minimal compared to Notability, and you can't organize notes into folders. Only into folders within folders. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem and don't need precision sketching, it's your fastest start. OneNote is legitimately free. No ads, no hidden limits on notebooks. You get unlimited sections, pages, handwriting, drawing, and collaboration. The downside, it's slower to open than native apps. Handwriting, rendering lags slightly, and the interface feels designed by committee. But if you need organized notebooks across devices and don't mind the small lag, OneNote is the most feature-rich, free option. Windows users and Office 365 subscribers will love the desktop sync. Obsidian is completely free on iPad. It's a markdown note app designed for building a personal knowledge base. Zero handwriting support. It's text-based. But if you're writing essays, research, or daily reflections, Obsidian's linking and backlinking features create a web of connected ideas. It's less notebook and more personal Wikipedia. Not for sketching or quick notes. For writers and researchers who want control, it's unmatched. Notion is free and genuinely powerful. You get databases, templates, collaborative pages, and a beautiful interface. For organizing notes alongside tasks, databases, and projects, Notion is unbeatable. The learning curve is steeper. You need to understand pages, databases, and properties. Handwriting isn't a feature here. This is typed notes and structured information. If you're building a productivity system beyond just notes, Notion is worth the effort. Here's what I'd use. If you sketch or handwrite, Apple Notes or OneNote are your free options. Apple Notes is faster. OneNote is more powerful. If you write typed notes, Notion is the most feature-rich free choice. If you want one app for handwritten notes and sketching with real tools, you're paying. Notability or GoodNotes. I won't pretend a free app matches paid apps at sketching. They don't. But these 4 genuinely work for free, and most people don't need premium features. Ask yourself 3 questions. First, do you handwrite or type? Second, do you need multiple notebooks or just one? Third, are you collaborating with others? Handwrite plus multiple equals OneNote. Handwrite plus single equals Apple Notes. Type plus organize equals Notion. Type plus personal equals Obsidian. Pick your answers, find your app, and stop researching. You'll know in 1 week if it fits. What questions do you have? Comment below and we will make a video about it.